I roll wheels, see what's up.
No, you're fine.
Oh, I don't like to roll when you're up on it. That bar, okay.
Okay, hopefully tank is going up for the last time, right? Huh?
Yes. Let's see.
Oh, I have to crawl completely under there?
Here's the brackets from the other side. So I'm working on getting those holes drilled out. So if you spot it with the big bit first, I put the 3/8 bit in there and got the center found, and then come back with the smaller diameter bit and drill a through hole. Then you can put the big hole through easier. Well, it's another day. Yesterday we made a materials run over to Grants Pass because the Home Depot over there had a lot better quality plywood than they did down in Crescent City. And we needed some metal for the bed rails too, so we got both of those ticked off. Today, Shelly's going to be priming the plywood for the ceiling, and I'm going to try to finish out the plumbing for that goes into the tank down there, the gray tank. We'll see how far we get. So Shelly's all set up down here in the boonies. She's boondock painting. Down here, where it won't hurt nothing if she gets some paint on the ground. So she'll prime that on both sides, and then we're going to cut it into different size tiles that fit the ceiling.
I'm off to paint today. I'm going to put the primer on our ceiling.
So here's the status with the gray tank this morning. I already knew I had that on. I got those connections up there are grommeted and coming in. And I still got a hook on there and take it up into the kitchen. And you guys probably didn't see this part where I made these angle brackets that hold the tank in from the top, and they have a little bit of foam tape underneath them because in use these tanks tend to billow up and down. So I took all the sharp edges off of this bracket that that can contact the tank, and then I put some foam tape underneath it, so as that thing flexes up and down with use, it won't cut the tank. So now the tank is caged in there. There's another bracket on the back that holds the backside in. So today I'm going to see if I can get the rest of the plumbing into the kitchen, connect up that other pipe over there. I'm going to check that the pee drain, the urine diverter drain, and make sure that it works okay, because I have a backup plan in case that doesn't work. We'll see how far we get. How's it going with Operation Prime It?
Yeah, I got the backside on 3 of them. This is the last one of the 3, so.
Is this considered prime time?
Prime time, yes, prime time at nap time.
we got to do is, this has completely changed from what we originally started out to do. Now we're just going to put a little wooden platform on the bottom of that toilet. Well, I done checked everything I can check, but one of my least favorite things is going clear through the floor, because there's ribs down there. There's nothing here, but it's so easy to lose your location. But I measured off of this here, so I'm pretty sure I'm good to go.
And we're drilling for the sink drain, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Going through the next layer, huh?
It's going to be amazing.
Oh, so we're pulling out insulation. So we're down to the original floor of the box truck, right?
I think so. Yeah.
So there's all that foam board insulation that we put in.
I just hope it comes out in a good place on the other side.
Keep your fingers crossed, guys. Okay, guys, look, here's the evidence. Look at all this sawdust that came down. He's got the pipe through the hole. We have got this. So here you can see it inside the box. Right under the cabinet there. Okay, what?
Oh, that all lines up perfectly.
Does it?
You just got to put a longer pipe in
Oh, sweet.
up into the cabinet.
That is amazing. Hey, what you doing up there?
Trying to find where that hole is so I can put it back up with this.
Because look what we're doing, people. We're hanging up the mini split bracket. Right?
The thing about this is it's nice and lightweight.
Yeah, that's wonderful. And Mike did such a great job of building it for us. Whoops. Gotta pause for a moment, people. So we've got 3 holes up there he's trying to plug. There we go. 1, 2, 3. What?
There's a screw that goes here, but that's what I had to take it off so I could locate the screw.
Okay.
So this is the ceiling panels for the box. 1/4-inch plywood. We primed it on both sides with stain killing primer, mildew resistant stain killing primer. So if there is any leaks or any problems with humidity or condensation, it won't affect the plywood as bad. And then we just use spray texture out of the can and we textured it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's what we did. Now Shelly's painting them 4 different shades of blue. They're going to get cut into rectangular sized tiles and installed in the ceiling and have batten strips over them in a pattern. So we think it's going to look pretty cool. It's going to be like a multicolored sky.
That's what we're going for. We're going for color this time, guys. Lots of color.
Well, that one's been sitting around a long time waiting to go up there.